Hello V Squad, how are you all doing? It's very quiet here. Happy Sunday. How is everybody doing? I hope you're all doing great. So it's Sunday the 2nd of July and I've been awake since about 8 o'clock, but I was editing my videos because I have a lot of videos that I haven't edited. So I had to just wake up early, sat on my bed and I was editing. So yeah, finally I'm done and I'm uploading the video right now to just keep it private on my studio while I start this new vlog with you all. In case it's your first time here, my name is Vera. You're welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing and join the V Squad. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl and watch me. Okay, I'm so grateful. So right now, it was my graduation party last night and it was a fun day. I felt so excited, so loved, so grateful, so thankful. Like I was surrounded with so much love. And you know, it's when you're celebrating in your life that you actually know and feel the love people have for you genuinely. I've really felt that for this whole past week, from my graduation day to yesterday graduation party. Although some people that were supposed to be there didn't make it, but they still send their love and their support, you know, in one way or the other, and I'm so grateful. So right now I'm about to eat some food. I have some jollof rice here with chicken with a cup of coffee. I'm going to be having that in a minute, and then I'll be coloring my hair. I had a haircut yesterday. You must have seen that in the previous vlog. So I'm going to be coloring my hair because I'll be going out tonight. I'll be going somewhere special just for a relaxed evening, fun date evening, you know. A fun date evening just to relax and catch my breath because it's been so hectic for the past week. So it's good to just go out and chill, you know, just relax the mind, you know. So yeah, but that'll be later in the evening and I hope I'll be taking you all along. So let's eat this food right now before it gets cold. Let me show you all what I'm eating. All right, this is what I'm having now. I'm having some jollof rice with chicken. I have my coffee here. And look at these beautiful flowers they gave me yesterday. I had some on graduation day, but this one was given to me yesterday. That was the graduation party. And they look so beautiful, just sitting here on the table. Let's eat now. Nope.
Very sweet, but first you must get it. Na poverty, now you make it my worry. Nobody go
like, make them see me prosper. Make them see say me I know they suffer again. We don't cast last time. Last time.
My praise. What will I give unto you, Lord, if not my praise? I offer myself as a living sacrifice. living sacrifice to you, Lord. Amen. Gold or silver, I cannot afford. Money, I have no money to offer you. Nothing I have to give you more than my praise. Nothing I offer to you more than my time. My children, oh, shall live to praise you, Lord. My generation shall live to praise you, Lord. All the days of my life I shall come before your throne. I will bow unto you, cause you are Jehovah over my life. I will give you praise, cause you are King of kings. I will honor you all the days of my life. What will I give unto you, Lord, if not my praise? What will I give unto you, Lord, if not my praise? I offer myself as a living sacrifice to you, Lord. I offer myself as a living sacrifice to you, Lord. Amen.
Lord, as you did to Sarah and Hannah, I know you do it for us again and again. I know you do it for us again and again. Oh Lord, you are the God that never changes.
Final topping of our lasagna. I don't have enough cheese, guys. This is all the cheese, but it's fine. This is what we do it. This is what we will use. Okay, there we go. This is it. Lasagna is ready to put in the oven. Lasagna is good. This is a lasagna.